Oh my god. It is so fucking hot today. I feel like I am going to die of heat stroke any second now. Wait. Why don't I just go and flood the house? That way it will not be hot. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Time to turn on the sink and flood the house. Ha 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 ha. Oh no. What have I done? Now the entire house is flooded.
Holy shit, Caillou, get on the boat, hurry!
Oh my god. Caillou. Thank God you're okay. How did you survive the flood?
I thought it was too hot, so I started a flood by turning on the sink. Please don't drown me.
Oh no 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 no. Oh. Caillou. How dare you flood the entire world? That's it. You are grounded for 3527369 years. Prepare to die.
No 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 no. Please spare me. I do not deserve the hate.
Say goodnight, you bald-headed freak.